Hearty welcome to all to our YouTube channel Divine Race SSPS INC. I am Sister Shushma SSPS. I am working for the people living with HIV and AIDS. We, the SSPS, reach out to the needy and suffering from HIV and AIDS through Vishwas organization in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Punjab. Vishwas is a project run by the missionary sisters, servants of the Holy Spirit, Pavitra Atma Sevika Sangh, in response to the alarming situation of HIV and AIDS in Indore and surrounding districts. It was founded in the year 2003. Vishwas organization has completed its 17 years of humanitarian service in the field of people living with HIV and AIDS. Our vision is to improve the health status of people living with HIV. Second, to make the people living with HIV economically self-reliant. Third, to organize advocacy and mutual support for the people living with HIV. Fourth, to create awareness about HIV and motivate people for HIV testing. Lastly, to make high-risk group well informed and have healthier life in the community. World AIDS Day, designated on 1st December every year since 1988, is an international day dedicated to raising awareness of the AIDS pandemic caused by the spread of HIV infection and mourning those who have died of the disease. I am glad to know and share with you all the World AIDS Day theme for this year 2020 is World Solidarity and Shared Responsibility. We live in a human society and we feel belong to the human family. Therefore, I believe it is everyone's responsibility to feel for the other in suffering. We all know that it is a tough time of COVID-19. Yet, we regard our solidarity and respect towards the people who suffer silently. In today's date, 7,230 people have registered with us. They get benefit like opportunistic infection, counseling, nutrition, medical and transport support, income generation, rehabilitation, and education support for their children. In the year 2003, Pavitra Atma Sevika Sangh has extended the same project in Khandwa, seeing the extreme increase of HIV and AIDS disease. In the year 2020, we have widened our circle of service in the state of Rajasthan in Udaipur city. We are grateful to government and non-government NGOs with whom we have good collaboration to prevent HIV as well, who are helping us to join people living with HIV in mainstream. We, the Pavitra Atma Sevika Sangh sisters, feel happy and contented for the service we render for the less privileged in our society. We are glad to serve you all, especially those who are infected and affected by the virus HIV. Our true intention is to give best service in all the possible ways and not to disclose your status. You are free to approach us on the following address. I wish you on this occasion of World AIDS Day to know your status, to enjoy healthy and happy life. Along with this awareness of HIV and AIDS disease, don't forget to take the best precautions for the ongoing pandemic COVID-19. Wear masks, wash your hands, and keep social distancing. Thank you.